Hello, good morning. I'm going to explain you about my capstone, which I have done for the ERA V3. So let me go directly to the demo. Okay, so I have deployed one question answer application which is able to chat with either GitHub or Arxiv applications, or it can chat with YouTube's as well. So, and it's a MCP based agentic framework, which I'm going to explain. So let me first go to the demo. Okay, let me open HTTP. So this is the server running. So let me try this, open this. As you can see, you have Arxiv, you have GitHub, you have video. So let's go to Arxiv, and then we type some question here and tell me the summary of this paper, right? So I'm going to get the summary of the paper. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, as you can see, you can get the summary of the paper provided. However, I can provide you the summary. So you can get the summary of any RC papers, which is I will already index it. So hence you can able to get it so fast. If you have given new RC it will re-index, right? So indexing is happening in internally, so that's not a problem here. So for the GitHub, I have given one URL, and then I am explaining the bubble sort here. You can see here. So this particular GitHub URL is something to do with bubble sort. It's one of the EAG assignment which I did. Right. So it explains me all about bubble sort and how it works and all that. So basically it explains the complete flow of bubble sort, how it has been implemented in EAG6, right? And similarly for the video, I have pasted one video and I will ask question for that. And yeah, so it has generated the summary of this and where and all you. Uh, so basically, this one video it is giving summary, but I can give something else. And you can click on the video clips, right? So here you can see this video clips which have been loaded. Okay, so that's so you can ask questions on the videos. Let me ask some other question here. Okay, let me ask this question: how to train the AI models? Uh, yeah, so you can see, right? AI models, particularly image generation, rely on data sets and numerous data. So you can train those models, and so you can see that training in different clips, which has this relevant information, right? So you can see the information here. Yes, it has this. Okay, so it gives the answers as well as it gives the clips where you can find those. Okay, so this is about YouTube chat, and I've shown you GitHub chat, you and also the Ask chat, right? So you can chat with any of these three agent, and let me explain you the framework here, right? So the way it is being implemented is so there's a workflow, right? When user opens web UI, either selects archive, GitHub, or video question answering, right? And the agent server receives the question in MCP server. So we have three MCP servers running. So this you can see from this diagram, right? So we have three MCP servers running here, and there is one single agentic server. From the web UI, you get the request, and the agentic server will process. So agentic server is smart enough. It's an LLM powered agentic server, right? And based on the question, it will decide which particular MCP I need to invoke, right? So, and then it will provide you the answer, and that MCP server returns back the answer to the UI, right? And the UI is going to display the answer, right? So, but this agentic service is intelligent enough to route it to the respective MCP servers. Okay, and then coming to the deployment. So I've also deployed this on cloud, right? So if you see on the cloud, how I've deployed it, so I follow this particular skyrocket thing. So I have created so I've installed SkyPilot, and then I've created this LLM infer where you have a single file. So the way I've implemented is I've combined all the MCP servers in a single file, and and also the uh, HTML front end part I've combined in a single file, and I'm running this. Uh, Basically, I'm running this Python one single class, right? And you can see, so I'll be showing that. So once I do that, so this is my AWS EC2 running, and you can see this. So this has been running, right? So this server is up and running. So this is a SkyPilot server which is up and running, right? So basically, if you have to run that YAML file, and then they say sky launch. So this is the sky launch you can see. So we need to run this command sky launch, right? And it will bring up the LLM server. So you can see this LLM server is up here. Let me showcase the LLM server. Yeah, so this is LLM server which is up, right? Okay, so yeah, you can see here also this LLM server is up. Okay, so this is about the deployment on cloud. So basically, whatever I've showcased in locally, and that is being deployed on the cloud as well. AWS is to via Skyrocket, sorry, SkyPilot, right? So that's about the deployment. And then coming to the fine tuning. So fine tuning is done. Basically, so this video clips which we have uh, collected, right? So that data is used for fine tuning. So there's text to video CSV file. So each test has its corresponding video. So that is being used for generation of video. So basically, it has been fine tuned via so full fine tuning, right? And then we have generated the video. So output of this particular program is the video content, right? So you can see this one charts here, say the loss and training and all, right? And then we have generated the video. So that's about this. Thank you.